For the first time ever, Anthropic has more business customers than OpenAI. But it wasn't always this way. 34.4% of businesses are now paying for Anthropic services. Only 32.3% pay for OpenAI. That's the first time Anthropic has held the top spot. Here's the most striking part. Just 12 months ago, only 9% of businesses paid for Anthropic. 9%. In 1 year, it jumped to 34.4%. That's nearly 4 times growth. Over the same period, OpenAI's share declined by 1%. And that decline happened while the overall AI market was growing by 9%. So what changed? Anthropic started with a very technical customer base. They focused on those customers' needs, executed really well, then broadened out through tools like Claude for Work. The data comes from Ramp, a fintech firm. Their sample includes more than 50,000 companies. That's broad and diverse enough to carry weight. On OpenRouter's Leaderboard, which tracks a different slice of users, OpenAI was last ranked above Anthropic in December 2025. Since then, it's been downhill. One economist told TechCrunch he thinks OpenAI could still catch up. But right now, the trend is clear: Anthropic is winning the enterprise race.